Ready to clear up the confusion around weather? Let's dive in. The word weather is like your trusty tool for making choices. It introduces two or more possibilities. Picture this. You can't decide whether to have pizza or pasta for dinner. Here, weather sets up your delicious dilemma. Or imagine you're unsure whether it'll rain today. Weather lays out the two possibilities. It might rain, or it might not. Think of weather as a fork in the road. It helps you choose which path to take. Now, let's say you're at an ice cream shop, torn between chocolate and vanilla. You'd say, I'm not sure whether I want chocolate or vanilla. See? Weather makes the choice clear. And if you're wondering whether to bring an umbrella, you might say, I'm wondering whether it will rain. Weather helps you weigh the options. Got it? Great. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.